Hare Krishna, everyone. My name is Devi Rasika. I'm from Detroit, USA. So I did this naturopathy course, which is definitely is going to help everyone in how to eat and how to adjust our consciousness while we are eating the food. It's not just for the body; it's actually for body, mind, and soul. And Prabhuji is nicely explained how to eat, what to eat, when to eat. And if there is any diseases like I have migraine, but eating this healthy food from last 2-3 weeks, I didn't get a small bit of headache also. So and not just a migraine, he talked about many other diseases. Actually, we don't find what we need to do and how to come out of these situations, but Prabhuji clearly explained everything in detail. I highly suggest everybody to attend this course, so we know how to cook also. He was helping us. So please do attend. Thank you.